Having a pool is cool, but it can be a pain to maintain. That is why I have filtered through all the tips and found you 3 better ways to clean your pool. This skimmer is doing its job, but it could be doing it even better. You see how big these holes are? We're gonna put on some pantyhose to trap the hair, fine dirt particles, and sand that this guy can't. Maintaining your pool's pH level can be one of the most challenging things of owning a pool. And if you find those levels are too low, you may have to add fancy chemicals from the pool store that are expensive. But I've got a better way. A pound of grocery store cheap baking soda is the equivalent of a pound of those fancy chemicals. And finally, clean your pool with tennis balls. The fuzzy skin soaks up suntan lotion and body oils, leaving you with a nice clean pool. And that's it. 3 better ways to clean your pool.